there be an open heaven over your finances. Let there be an open heaven over your revenue. Let there be an open heaven over your children. Let there be an open heaven over everything that you do. I speak this in the mighty name of Jesus. Yeah, when the enemy comes in like a flood, let the Spirit of God lift up a standard. In the pabon for shout down. Now what you want to our besunsa when you remember once you see us a bomb to the I said some people are unique. There are people who have a covenant with God. I declare in the name of Jesus, anybody that rises against you has risen against the covenant. I declare in the name of Jesus, let God arise. Let his enemies scatter. Let God arise. Let his enemies scatter. As your prophet, I prophesy you will finish this year well. Oh, Aminisa, you will finish this year well. You will not die. You shall not die. You will live, prosper, and declare the works of God. You will not hear bad news within your space and within your walls. I declare peace surround you in the name of Jesus. I declare peace surround you in the name of Jesus. Whatever you are longing for, it shall be. I see helpers coming your way. I see helpers surrounding you. Somebody's free. Oh, Shadabaha. The Bible said, grow in grace. Grow in grace. And so when the person comes to sit here Sunday after Sunday, they are maturing. They are in a maturing process. One Sunday they visited me. 2 different husbands. They married 2 women from the same church. One came and said, may the Lord bless you. You have been a pastor like a midwife. You have given me a wife, a friend, a confidant, a companion, mother of my children. The other one was so furious and angry. I said, what is your problem, sir? On a Sunday morning. Then he started speaking. He said, I regret the day I married from Alabaster. 2 gentlemen, same church, married 2 different women. One is so grateful.